Okay, HAMTRAMCK, so here we are. This is traditionally a Polish neighborhood, but I think it's actually changing demographics. I think it's more of a Muslim neighborhood changing now, but I'm not 100% sure. We're gonna find out by driving around. That's my understanding anyways, and we'll kind of verify that today by just looking at the houses and just kind of seeing what we see in HAMTRAMCK here. But yeah, it used to be a Polish neighborhood, and I think there's still a lot of Polish stuff as well. So we'll find out. So stay tuned. HAMTRAMCK, Michigan, little area surrounded by Detroit. Let's check it all out. Tell you one thing, the houses are really cool. It's nice density. There's right next to each other, which I think creates the density. A lot of porches as well. We'll see what else we can see around here. I'm just gonna be kind of driving around down some of the main streets as well. Let me see. Checking it all out. Down over there, we got a couple people with Muslim garbs and baseball hats. Okay, so we're kind of seeing some interesting stuff already. Let's turn here and go down HAMTRAMCK. Oh, that's a bicycle lane right there. Wow, that's kind of cool. Got a bicycle lane in HAMTRAMCK here. I don't really know what to expect actually. I know the predominant community is, this was almost all Polish for many years. And it looks like I'm in the turn right lane, so we'll turn right. Which is all right by me, because I get to see, oh okay, well, it says do not enter, so it looks like I'm going to be taking a right here. Kind of checking it all out. Oh, lost the camera there. Detroit doing it. Let's see if we can navigate through here a little bit. Here's a pretty slow walker. Let's see. I'm trying to look for an exit out of the parking lot. Looks like the exit's gonna be over here. Motor City Sports Bar and Grill. There's birds everywhere. Jeez. Kind of cool though. Okay, so we're just gonna drive north, get a feel for HAMTRAMCK this direction. Port Bar. Looks like there are a lot of people around, a lot of community. Looks like it's still going pretty strong. I think this area has always been known for having a nice community feel. So I guess maybe when Detroit, you know, the city kind of altered and changed and such, I think HAMTRAMCK was able to keep the community. And even though it's predominantly Polish, I think it moved to lots of other communities that have moved in. So yeah, it's pretty cool to me. So what we're gonna do is just kind of keep on cruising on. So I think this is kind of a downtown area. There's our green light right there, so we can get a feel for it. It is a weekday, and it's about 2 o'clock on a weekday, and there is activity around. A lot of businesses are open, and I like the fact that it's kind of walkable, so people can walk around in this area as well. See, kind of hope to go down some more streets, but it looks like what I'm going to be doing is, looks like there's no left turns here coming up, so what I want to do is go left and go back down, see if there's another parallel street. So we'll just keep going until we see one. A lot of American flags coming up. I think it's maybe because of all the foreign populations, maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but oh, okay, so I guess there's no left turn at certain times. So so it says no left turn from 3 to 6. PNC Bank. Yeah, PNC Bank. I thought that's from like Pittsburgh or Pennsylvania or something like that. Okay. So we'll just stick to this road and go up a little bit further until we kind of feel like we're going out of the downtown, and then I'm gonna take a left. There we go. Islamic Center of HAMTRAMCK, Rima's Restaurant, Arabic writing. So it looks like a lot of Arabic in particular in HAMTRAMCK these days. Cocktail bar, Little Caesars. So I think I'm going to try to take a left on this road up here. Maybe not. It's a one-way street, so I cannot. But it looks like I can do a natural left right here. So I will. Probably getting kind of close to going out of Detroit, or out of HAMTRAMCK and into Detroit. Our pizza right there. So we're going down Carpenter Road, and I'm going to take a left as soon as I see the next kind of interesting street to take a left on. That's kind of cool. Trixie's. Maybe this one. Nice brick buildings right there. So let's do a four-way stop, I guess. Another nice brick one. HAMTRAMCK. So I think my plan is to go straight and take a right, and then I'm kind of looking for a nice big main road to go down that's different than the one I was already on. And I think that's going to be coming up soon. Let's find out if that's true or not. Turn here. There's a Polish name right there. Chukowicz and Wilk Funeral Home. Okay, so let's go down a little bit further, then we're going to take a left. And I think we can go down another main street of HAMTRAMCK as well. Hope so, anyways. Jesse Pizza. Looks like I might have to go another left. There's a big kind of residential looking street if I was to take a left. But okay. So it looks like I'm going to be driving out of here if I keep going. So I don't want to do that. I'll be driving into Detroit, so I want to stick with HAMTRAMCK. So it looks like I have no choice but to go back in and go through some of these residential streets, which is okay too. So I guess we're gonna go down Casimir Street. Kind of pulling out my map, and it looks like I can try to navigate. Is that a one-way street? Let me see. Kind of confused. There's a lot of one-way streets around here. I think that's another one-way street there. Take a right here, and then I'm going to go down the first main street that I see, Fleming and Kenneth. Ant Hall. It's kind of cool, Ant Hall, and then there's like an ant on the purple building over there. So I think I can Bromback? So Bromback is that street, and I just briefly viewed that I can take a right up here. I'll be going down a main street. Same lot as this church. Bank Suey. Looks like we're going down the same street, but I guess we'll do it anyways, because it is a nice downtown street, and that's kind of what I want to see anyways, is the businesses and such. So we'll just go down. And it looks like this is one of the more main streets to go up and down. I did try to go left and right, and I did see a little bit, but not. It's like an alright community though. That has Indian language, English, Arabic, culture, and quarantine. Kind of COVID Remnick talk on that billboard. Okay. Yeah, I'd be curious to know more about Hamtramck, so if you want to make some comments down below, that would be well received and welcome. Vintage shops, I bet there's some pretty interesting stuff around here. There's a Polish flag and American flag over there. Got a green light. Furniture stores. Port bar. Okay. So we go down a little bit more and just kind of check out a little bit. We'll just kind of, I think we're actually seeing the bulk of Hamtramck. I think the core might be right about here. According to the map, I think it's right about here is the, like when you go to Google Maps and you look for where it'll tell you when you write the word Hamtramck, it'll be right about here. Somebody using the bike lane. Yemen Cafe, I just saw that. There are a lot of refugees from the Arabic world, including Yemen and Syria, Lebanon. Another hookah shop. I got a guy in Muslim garb there and some women with Muslim garb here. So. So it kind of seems like there's a lot of different community members of all kinds live in this area. Alright, so this one I believe coexist. That's kind of a cool sign right there at the end. So that's Hamtramck.